Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Cadillac SRX Luxury. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.